Good afternoon, lifers. Today we're coming to you from Fairfield Lake State Park, just a little bit outside of Fairfield, Texas. We're going to take you around the park and show you what's going on, and then later on today we're taking you in town to show you some of the things that the town has to offer as well.
Afternoon, lifers. I'm just going to share with you a little bit about what the park has to offer. Looks like they have an amphitheater, a bike trail, a fishing pier, hiking trails, and swimming area, volleyball court, playground, things of that nature. So we're excited to get out and see all of these areas, and we'll definitely share them with you.
So guys, if you're into fishing, this lake has tons of shoreline piers just like this one that you can sit on if you don't have a boat or if you just want to dock fish. But then again, from what I understand, there are tons to offer out here when it comes to fishing. So here's some of the fish. So if you wanted to, you could even come out here and rent kayaks just like these. Seems like a pretty good system. I saw people using them earlier when we first got here. So there's just another amenity if you wanted to come to this lake and hang out for the day.
This is a place of quiet rest. We are here at the Chancellor Union Cemetery.
So guys, this is one of the main points of interest when you come out to Fairfield Lake State Park. This is a historic burial site, cemetery, where the people that founded this area, settlers came here, Larry Chancellor and his family. So guys, we found this cool little nature trail. But what we're really looking for is the overlook. Somewhere over here, there's an overlook that takes us to, or a trail, another trail that takes us to the overlook. And we really want to find that to overlook the lake and, you know, some of the nature areas over there. So she's making jokes about spiders being over here. And I'm not.
He's willfully going.
Well, it's not that I'm afraid of spiders. I just would prefer not to be around them if I have the choice, which I do have the choice right now, but it's in nature, and hopefully they'll stay where they're supposed to be, in the trees or something.
Oh my goodness. Fear.
What is it?
The fear of spiders is known as arachnophobia and is the world's most common fear. The word spider came from the Old English word spithra, which means to spin.
guys, we found the scenic overlook. It wasn't very far from where we came into the entrance of the trail, and I mean, it's amazing. There are tons of ducks out there, geese, people fishing, and it's, I thought there were pretty big swells coming in to hit the shore, but it was actually all the ducks trying to flap around in the water at the same time. It sounds really weird, but it's pretty cool to watch. Now we're gonna go back and see if we can find the other overlook. The Homestead well we couldn't get to because it was closed for some reason, but we'll come back another time, maybe, if the park sticks around, or maybe we won't. Guys, we just saw the brightest cardinal back there that I've ever seen. It was really bright, almost as bright as the handle of my tripod right here. But this thing was beautiful. It flew in. Of course, my camera is really for vlogging, so we couldn't get a good picture of it, but man, this is one thing I love about being out in nature. So what we're getting ready to do is try to stop. The last stop is what's the name of this trail? Dockery. So this is the Dockery Trail, and we're trying to find the Dockery overlook before we head out of the state park and take you guys into town. It'll be time for lunch. We're gonna show you this really cool restaurant and then an ice cream location after that, so stay tuned. Look like the road is blocked, so we gotta be careful.
Really?
I just walked over it. Of course, she had to pick it up and throw it over to the side. Little Miss Nature Trail out here. All right, guys, we abandoned the idea of walking because we probably still had another 2 miles to go. I'm hungry, tired, and we still have a 2.5-hour drive back home. So maybe another time we'll get to come out here and show you the overlook for this portion of the trail, but we're going back to the car. We're going to get us something to eat and maybe some snacks. We'll see you in a bit. So guys, this is the City Hall building of Freestone County, which Fairfield, we're in the town of Fairfield. It's the county seat for Freestone County. We're right in front of this building. This is a really cool little town square. There's a cannon over here in front, and then signs like this to tell you about the area as well. That sign was about Captain Bradley. All right, guys, we survived a day at Fairfield Lake State Park, and now it's time to get some grub. We made it to Sam's Original Restaurant, which was voted one of the best places to have a meal if you come to this Fairfield area. Apparently, it's got a lot of great reviews online, so we're gonna go in here and check it out, see what kind of food they have to offer. All right, guys, so we stopped at Sam's Original Restaurant, grabbed a meal. I ordered chicken, green beans, fried okra, and I'll say the chicken was pretty good. The crust was really good, had good flavor. The chicken was nice and tender, juicy. I hate when the chicken's dry. They did a great job of preparing the chicken. The okra was good. Could have used a little bit more salt, so I just sprinkled a little salt on there. And then the other part, all right, and the other part was She ordered chicken fried steak and what else? Corn and mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes, were they good? Mm-hmm. The mashed potatoes were good. The corn was okay. Mm-hmm. A little bit of butter. Could have used just a little bit more seasoning. The chicken fried steak, though, left a little something to be desired. It had a flavor to it that I'm not quite used to. Anyway, it seems like the buffet looked really good. I should have got a shot of the buffet for you guys. They have a full gamut. They run the full gamut of salad all the way to sweets and everything on the buffet. So if you get out this way, it might not hurt to go in there and check out Sam's Original regardless. And who knows, the chicken fried steak might be even better when you show up. So anyway, now we're headed to Cooper's Farm Ice Cream. I'm so excited to try this place. So we'll see you over there.
Have you ever seen creamed honey? If not, follow me.
Actually, I was going to ask if I could try the wrong. So guys, we found the coolest little ice cream shop. There's also a gift shop in here. I guess it used to be a gas station at some point, but now just a lot of people are popping in here to grab apple pies, and there you can see there's shirts and soaps and just about anything you could want in a gift shop. Games for kids, all kinds of stuff. This is a really cool place. This is definitely a place that you should stop. There are jams and jellies, and it looks like some wines in here. Plenty of sodas, all different types of sodas. So you definitely want to stop in here if you get a chance to get anywhere near Fairfield, Texas. We're going to go over and order something in just a sec.
Oh, the very first original Hershey's chocolate package. Isn't that awesome? They got all kind of old candy.
Look at this. Big Heart. There's even Charleston Chew in here.
The Reed's Heart candies, the root beer, and the butterscotch. The sweethearts, they used to come, I don't know if they come like that anymore. I don't know about y'all, but we used to play church, and this was the host.
The communion.
The communion,
That was
yeah.
the communion.
Ooh, this one's good. What is that?
Oh, that's good. This is peach, guys. Real peach ice cream. It is delicious. Really good. We also got some peach wine, and we're gonna go over here and get some gas right quick. All right, guys, so we've had one awesome day traveling around Fairfield Lake State Park, as well as the city of Fairfield, the downtown area, the town square. We took you to one of the top restaurants in the area and showed you that. We took you to one of the premier ice cream places in the state. Their concept is awesome. The peach ice cream is really good. What do you think about yours?
Mine's better, chocolate.
She loves chocolate ice cream. So if you're anywhere near Fairfield, this is definitely a place you want to visit, but that's it. We got a 2.5-hour drive back home. So if you guys, I want to remind you to comment, like, and subscribe, and please share our content. And remember to get outside, because there's plenty of life out there.
Yeah, just what he said.